Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and thanks for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. All the new subscribers that's coming in, thank you so very much. The ones that means well, thank you. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to run in here and post about Big Bird. Okay, y'all, I was outside playing with the kids in the water. Okay, so got my swimsuit on. Okay. Anyway, y'all, I know y'all see the picture, the cover, okay? And you probably have heard, everybody know he's out, and everybody knows that, he's posting on his social media. And he's saying why he was picked up in the first place. Now, we all know about the toys in the car, okay? We all know that he can legally carry. We know that, okay? But he shouldn't be when he got street associates. But neither here nor there, okay, y'all? Now, he's saying that they pulled him over because of that bottle of liquid hand sanitizer. This is what he's saying, the reason why they pulled him over. And I guess he's saying that the 400 grams of, street pharmacy stuff was hand sanitizer, y'all. Now, if I'm looking at the bottle, I'm trying to see if it's 400 grams in that bottle. So I don't know how much 400 grams liquid would be in that, would it fit in that bottle. But it looks like it says 3.6 something on there. I don't know. Are they telling on themselves, y'all? Is this more light being shined on them? Okay. Think about this, y'all. First of all, look at the bottle. The bottle looks like cough syrup. Okay, y'all? And y'all remember some videos back? I had a picture up of Devin Brown boxing up some stuff. Had boxes and boxes all around him in the background. Okay? And word on the street is, now y'all know this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Okay? Word on the street is this is what they are mixed up in. This is what they sell and all of this stuff, okay? Now, you just heard Big Bird mention out of his own mouth that, I don't know if he's talking about his girl or somebody else. I don't know. But he said, just like some female, okay? When they put the eyelashes in some kind of pill bottle or something like that, is this the new hustle, y'all, that they are doing right now? Okay? Now, y'all know police is not stupid. They know stuff that's going on out here. All right? So, did they just give themselves away that this is how they're moving this cough syrup now? Look at the bottle, y'all. Every time they come out and talk, they put their foot further in their mouth and tell on their own self, okay? I'm wondering now, are they trying to play with the police at the same time? Thinking they slick. Advertise them and their goodies, okay? Now, why would they be into hand sanitizer, y'all? Okay? And why would you put it in a bottle that looks like cough syrup? Are they playing with the cops, y'all? Are they playing? Because everybody is saying it didn't make no sense for him to be out here riding dirty in the first place. Why would he? Is somebody calling the police on him? Is this they plot for clout, y'all? Because y'all know the more people's name stays, in the spotlight and ringing, no matter negative or positive, they know if they have a product to sell, that's a way of them getting it out there and letting you know it is what it is, okay? Why would he have hand sanitizer, riding around with a big bottle of hand sanitizer that looks like syrup? Why would somebody, every time he hang out with background dancer and at the studio, he gets pulled over? Are they doing this on purpose, y'all? Ask yourself this question. Are they playing with the cops right now? For him to have, if it is, because he said they got to take it to the lab and see what it really was. If it really was hand sanitizer, are they doing this for clout? Y'all know how they like to say they trying to make Dallas hot again. Is this what this is all about, y'all? But at the same time, they messing up for themselves because now more police officers are going to be looking for this now. They're going to be expecting this now. Is this what they shipping out around the place? Because you saw those boxes Devin Brown was playing with in the background and acting like he had a business going on. Is this what they've been working with in the first place? Was this all along about street pharmacy stuff? Was Mo3, stopping them from making some money or something on the street? Because it's a lot of stuff tying into a lot of dirt that they were all into. And now it's coming to the light. The girls and stuff that they're bringing in. Against their own will. Okay, y'all? Working at these clubs and everything. They got them working at. You see what Beto was charged with. Okay? You see that them people been hitting these game rooms. Illegal game rooms at that. You see that. Is this another light shining on more stuff that they're into? Is this the cough syrup that they're pushing? And they're putting a label on it as hand sanitizer. But they wanted to try to make the police look stupid by letting him get pulled over with real sanitizer, hand sanitizer. If it's the real hand sanitizer. When I told you that this was a movement for something, we don't quite know everything yet. Okay, y'all? We don't quite know what all these people are tied to. But a little bit at a time, it's coming out. Are the females pushing pills through containers that looks like eyelashes? He just said it himself. Go to his IG and look it up, y'all. This is what he's saying on his IG. That they messing with him. They're gonna drop the charges when they find out it's hand sanitizer. Is that really why he was pulled over, y'all? And if he was, did this just open a whole another can of something else for them to look for with these people? Okay, y'all? Whereas they normally would probably get busted. They probably wasn't getting busted for things because it was looking like a label with hand sanitizer on it. Now, I don't know about y'all, but most of the hand sanitizer bottles that I buy, they're clear. I'm trying to find one because I usually have some up here. But they're clear, y'all. Why would you have hand sanitizer in a bottle that looks like a medicine bottle? They are bringing more and more and more light on all the stuff they're tied into and they're doing. Now we see that a lot of these businesses that they all own, okay, it's just, a camouflage. That's all it is. It's a camouflage for them to push they street pharmacy stuff, y'all. The beauty shops and all this other stuff that all these people own. Look at the Speeds people, y'all. Okay? Look at them too. Look at all the businesses that they just opened up right after Mo3 passed. Are these places a camouflage to move other things? Is they bringing the light more and more of the dirt that they're into? Ask yourself this question. Okay? Usually when people are suspect in somebody's demise, they might want to be low-key. Not be riding around with, so many toys. And, suspect items. Like hand sanitizer that looks like cough syrup. Y'all know what they do with the cough syrup. Y'all already know. Ask Lil Wayne, okay? Is this something else that's coming to light? When I tell y'all it's a movement to shine a light on all the stuff that they're doing in Dallas since Mo3 passed, I wasn't lying, y'all. Anyway, just wanted to let y'all know that this is what he posted. That he got caught with a bottle of hand sanitizer. This is why he was picked up. This is what he's telling everybody. Okay? So, stay tuned, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Peace.